Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Omusoba. Omu from omelette and soba from yakisoba. So Omusoba is combination of egg omelette and yakisoba. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of yakisoba noodles, cabbage, 2 green pepper, half carrot, some shimeji mushroom, thinly sliced pork, 6 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional, some salt and pepper, 4 eggs, and to garnish, katsuobushi bonito flakes, aonori seaweed powder, benishoga, pickled ginger. I'm making yakisoba first, so let's cut the vegetable. Core removed. Take some leaves, push to flatten, and then slice. Let's do carrot. Cut the bottom off and make thin slices, diagonal slices. And into thin strips. Green peppers. Let's cut it in half. Remove the seeds and pith. Let's cut it diagonal into thin strips. Shimeji mushroom, cut the bottom off and break it into pieces. And pork, let's just cut it into bite size. And all the ingredients for yakisoba ready. Now yakisoba sauce, you just need to mix these 3 together. 6 tablespoons sriracha sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix it well and yakisoba sauce is ready. I'm heating up frying pan over medium heat. Let's start sauteing pork. When the pork is brown, I'm adding vegetables. Let's cook it until the vegetables are wilted. Vegetables look good, so I'm adding yakisoba noodles. I microwave them for about 2 minutes to soften and release the noodles. Vegetables are distributed and noodles are cooked, so I'm adding garlic powder and 2/3 of this yakisoba sauce, and I'm keeping 1/3 of this to garnish it. And let's keep mixing. I don't see any sauce at the bottom of the frying pan, so yakisoba is ready, so let's put it aside. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in this small skillet, and just to make sure it's oiled all over the skillet, let's do this using small piece of kitchen paper. I have 1 egg and a little bit of salt and pepper beaten in a small bowl. So let's add this to the skillet and move the skillet around so the skillet is covered with egg, like a crepe. When it's like this, the bottom side is totally cooked, but the top side is slightly runny, turn the heat off and let's add 1/4 of the yakisoba on top of the egg. And leave some space here and here. No yakisoba here and here. I'm putting this serving plate on top of the skillet and flip it over. Like this. So here, I have yakisoba underneath and egg on top. Let's tuck these loose end of the egg underneath yakisoba so that it looks like omelette. And I'm putting this yakisoba sauce that I kept to garnish on top. This is totally optional, but if you like, you can put some Japanese mayonnaise on top. Let's finish it up with katsuobushi bonito flakes, aonori seaweed powder, and pickled ginger. So katsuobushi in the middle, and some aonori seaweed powder, and a little bit of pickled ginger for the nice color and the flavor. And omusoba is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!